Hello, and welcome to your daily singing lessons. I'm Marquita and I solve singing problems. I help singers be the best they can be. And now, it's your turn. Let's get started with a lesson for you today. Hello and welcome. We're going to do what's called mix. It's giving you the ability to sing higher notes, but not with that big chest voice, that big ah, not that sound, but like kids in the schoolyard. Hey, give me my ball! They don't hurt themselves. Prerequisite for this, it needs to be clear, just like chest voice. If it isn't clear, or if you break in like that, you're in head voice, you're in falsetto. So that's too light. It's a mix. You get a little bit of the chest into that head voice. Now you got it, okay? That's why it's called the mix, honey. All right, so up here, yeah! Just one note. Notice I don't have my board there. And you're going to do it, remember, keep the body up. The rib cage needs to be off this area. You need to come out nice and strong, clear. Don't worry about anything. If you start to break or you freak out, that, oh my gosh, I might hurt myself. Okay, then do lower notes, but don't back away completely. You can do it. Yeah! 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 Now I'm coming into an area, yeah! This transitional, yeah! And my voice dips a little, yeah! Yeah! It isn't as strong, yeah! Yeah! I'm coming into chest, true chest, yeah! Yeah! I'm coming out, yeah! Yeah! Can you see? Oh my gosh! Yeah! 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 Now you can hold on to that vowel, yeah! Okay? If you need to have another vowel, you can try them. I find that this works best. You don't have to hold it as long as I'm holding it also. Like I said, that transitional area right in there, there's a dip for me. Some of you will not have it. You'll be real strong because your falsetto or your head voice is really strong. Some of you will not be able to make these notes. You're used to singing low and maybe you'll sing high over here, but in the middle, coming up high with this little bigger sound, okay, thinking that it's chest voice, a lot of people. No, it's a mix. And if you're not used to coming in here and you're used to going up, but you shy away, you might have a little bit of a hard time making it. But little by little, as you strengthen your muscles on the higher end with head voice, because that's, in falsetto, that's what's holding it together. That's what's doing it. So you're going to be able to strengthen and get it as long as you strengthen the higher portion of your voice. Remember, we want balance. We want everything, the whole enchilada. We're going to start higher. I'll tell you what, I'll start here and we'll go a little bit higher. Yeah! 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 Coming out here. Yeah! Yeah! Coming out on the side. Yeah! 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 Coming into a true chest sound. Yeah! 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 Don't push though. Yeah! 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 you gentlemen there, you're going to be singing and your true chest voice is going to start coming in. That's fine, just as long as you keep remembering that is a bright, that it is blah, 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 that it is a bright sound. It's not deep, it's not dark. And when you're listening to your voice, a lot of times you'll think, oh, that's too thin. It's okay. Your ear was meant to hear back from the speakers, not from you. You don't hear it correctly when you hear it yourself. And as you get used to singing and hearing back in speakers, you start adjusting. Your ear starts realizing what the true sound is, and it adjusts for that sound. So you may not think, you might think, oh, this is too thin, this is too little. Work with your voice. You'll find out that if you start recording, it sounds different. It does. Don't freak, okay? Well, it is such a day. And you gotta subscribe. Tell me what's helping you with these exercises. Did you learn something new today that you didn't know? Tell me about it. Tell me if you're having any difficulties. Leave a comment, okay? Subscribe, ring the bell. All right, and guess what? I'm gonna do it. I do it all the time. Such a day, yeah. Such a mighty fine day.